Ready to make amazing videos? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to creating your first video using the AI-powered app, InVideo. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and open InVideo. If you're new, tap Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. For example, enter your email and set a password. If you already have an account, just log in. Step 2. On the home screen, tap the big plus sign to start a new project. You can choose to create a video from scratch or use one of InVideo's AI-powered templates. For example, select a birthday greeting template to make a quick birthday video. Step 3. Upload your own photos and clips, or let InVideo's AI suggest media based on your topic. For example, upload a vacation photo or a short birthday clip. You can also enter a prompt like summer trip, and the AI will generate a script and pick matching visuals for you. Step 4. Personalize your video. Edit the script, swap out media, or use the AI to rewrite sections and find new clips instantly. For example, change the text to say, "Happy Birthday, Sam," or replace a photo with one from your gallery. Step 5. Not sure what to say? Use InVideo's AI script generator for ideas. For example, type, "Welcome to my channel," and let the AI expand it into a full introduction. Step 6. Add text overlays, captions, and callouts. Just tap the text tool and type your message. For example, add a caption like "Best Day Ever." The AI can also suggest catchy headlines for you. Step 7. Make your video pop with filters, stickers, and transitions. For example, add a confetti sticker to a celebration video. InVideo's AI can recommend effects that match your style. Step 8. Add background music. Tap the music icon and choose from InVideo's library, or let the AI pick a track that fits your mood. For example, select an upbeat song for a travel vlog. You can also add a voiceover. Record your own, or use the AI voice generator for a professional touch. Step 9. Rearrange your clips by dragging them on the timeline. Adjust timing, trim, and split with simple gestures. For example, move your favorite clip to the beginning of the video. Step 10. Preview your video to see how it looks. If you're happy with the result, tap Export to save your video in high quality. For example, check that your captions and music are in sync before exporting. Step 11. Share your creation directly to social media or download it to your device. For example, post your video to Instagram or send it to friends. With InVideo's AI tools, making professional videos is fun and easy, even for beginners. Step 12. Sign up, get creative, and let InVideo's AI help you share your story with the world.